Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the future of Google Notebook LM tool and how you need to stay up to date. It's been exactly 2 years now that this this tool Google Notebook LM has rolled out. In the future, in the coming months or years, there will be a lot of new features that might come up. So what you need to do is time to time go back to Google Notebook LM and see if there are any new features available in the interface. If you see any new features, try to use them or try to test them. As of now, it is still in beta phase and Google is still trying to come up with new features. Let's say for example, we have audio overview here. In the past, we had only English, but now we have more than 100 languages for audio overview. At the moment, if you go to video overview, it says generate an explainer video presented to you by AI English only. It says English only. As of now, we can generate video overview only in English language. But in the coming months, or in the next year, maybe it will support more languages, maybe 50 languages or maybe 100 languages. So please come back and see if there are any changes that are happening in the Google Notebook LM tool. And also I'd like to come back and try to keep the course up to date by adding more videos if I find any features or any options very interesting. I'm gonna update this course. So time to time, my advice to you is go back to the tool, do your daily work or research and see if there are any new features and try to test them and use it. Alright, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.